Hi, so welcome to the mix, and tonight we have Dwayne on the mix. So, he always have some interesting videos, so go ahead and check out what is been said on these videos. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have yourself a wonderful night.
No, just come back. Act accordingly. Me not turning on it. So well, I know how people them gone. Reverse. That's not how you spell psychology, darling. But I hear you. I understand what you're trying to say.
Page get reposted and stuff like that. I said, oh well, watch out for them people, you know. Don't make them come over upon your page, come and fetch your page, you know. but go over upon Noel page, go comment and I said, yo, Noel, watch out for them people here. Because our followers believe them believe like a them give bread and butter. Them will believe, say, a she bill you.
That it's
and
spicy
so
now.
said, so done. The people them over there, remember, you know, I just 1 or 2 times them share Noel, you know. And the people them already say, as she make Noel reach 80,000 followers and blah, 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 blah. Like, look how long Noel up on the internet are doing thing. Eh?
Oh, no, the plans.
Noel are doing catering and in this and in that. Noel in them own local world. No, if no sugar sharing,
Plans, so nothing that for
it
sure.
will get mixed up in a dirty water indirectly. He never intentionally do it. But no, all of these look at germs from off our page.
Blanca, I want to attack. I want to share germs.
I antagonize the man. You see me, I tell you, sometimes certain things not good in a man. It's not good.
I want to be able to self.
You understand? I'm sure the man is okay over there with his group of people where he run joke with and laugh with. He's okay over there.
I'm service. So, listen,
No,
my good about pause.
PR page. You hear?
I'm very sure 100 of you guys over here actually is for me. Please like up my video. Make the rest of the next 200 sit on the end corner and listen to the mix up.
All of these grown big woman, dunce woman over there. One bag of dunce over there done the man. And I talk about the man.
But you can. Girl, pause. I will say you can't talk about man. What is your problem? Have I stopped you from commenting, Ingrid? I just said drop a like on my video, even if it's an angry face. That's what I said to you. I want to, girl. I will trouble you. I will trouble you, baby love. I can't, me darling. No, sir. Listen, we tell them what thin skin. On a too thin skin. On his too thin skin, darling.
Woman over there. One bag of dunce over there done the man. Ingrid. And I talk about the man. And I call up all my name. What the frig me have to do with no, you tell me now. What the frig me have to do with Noel? I talk about me and Noel derogatorily call. Listen to me, man. Listen to me, man. You look all dunce people over there, so. When you come off of my name.
I want to shut up.
Come off of my name now. Me know say she train on you. Me know say she train on you for talk negatively about me. But come off of my name, please, in Jesus' name.
I want to shut up, Cupid B.
No, she have the man page. And you see why me don't want to associate.
I want to shut up.
No, she have the man page in her sort of mix up now. As much as it may seem like it wasn't her intention. What she think was going to happen? She know her followers, them mindset or them donkey and fool and innocence. She know that. So what she do that for? The man did tell her say he want to share. He never tell her say he want to share. Because at the end of the day, these people, our followers, them think say them give bread and butter. Our followers, them think say you wasn't existing before her. Our followers, them think say you can't make money without her. Our followers, them think say you can't run your business without her. Our followers believe say nobody are going to support you if them not support you. This is the delusional mindset our followers them have.
This is somewhat true. That's how me feel to a man and all.
Delusional. Because they assume that the world spins around them, or social media as the world spins around them. They assume that
the plunks them, the plunks them is the people, they say the plunks them, then feast them lost one, them little flat liquor show. When I tell them I cho. All the time when they say, oh, plank of people once follow the bone. What? That's the plank people. Black people, look coming up to the boy, look. Black people, look coming up to the boy. Don't go over the go and follow the boy. Hey, sometimes, right? Sometimes I really have to take my things and make jokes. I really do. Oh my God.
you need them to run your business. They
God.
assume that you need them to get sales.
Oh my God. I cannot be bothered. I just cannot.
They
I
assume.
cannot be bothered.
I'm sure Noel was doing his thing. I respect that man so much. I respect him because,
thanks.
he's cool. He's a cool guy,
Thanks,
Really cool guy. I love his personality. Him just steal to everybody with him and I'm own the world. Him just him doing thing.
Yeah, baby.
And he's been doing his thing forever on social media.
I like the one that honors. Yes.
She a do it because she knows that the man important and the man a do him thing and him a do him him just in him own world I make him achievements them. He got recognized by the Jamaican Tourist Board.
Him verified to darling.
He's doing his thing. He don't need you 99.
Lord.
Granted.
90 a year, girl.
Granted.
Noel Cunningham don't need a girl because
them attacking page. And she herself, her admins, or she, has blocked people off his page. She has blocked people off his page. So what brought about this sudden change? Is she changing? Or what? Does she have a change of heart? What's going on? What is going on? Why is she having a change of heart all of a sudden? After she blocked so much people from the man page. From her page. She blocked so much people over there on the man page from fear page. So why all of a sudden now you want give the man a share? Like,
Tina said we go on.
You see why it's not good for start for be a warmonger? Because you end up make yourself look like an idiot.
I will go on, darling. I will go on. Tina some fear.
You understand? You make yourself look like a fool now. Because you're a warmonger.
Where's the birds of fair flock together?
So even if you try and make peace, you understand? Even if 99 are try and make peace, nobody now gonna really focus on that because your character don't spell warmonger from long time.
Oh Lord.
Yeah? So even even when she had try and make it look like say, oh,
Fine God. Fine God.
I am just a changed person and I'm moving in another direction.
I want peace.
And your followers are a set of warmongers because you made them that way.
Oh Lord.
Her followers think that anyone that follow you, she shouldn't follow them because I saw them teach. Yes. Because remember, she used to come on her page, and she used to talk. She used to tell people who she like, Sean. Oh, me like Pinky. I never used to know Pinky, and I know Pinky.
What are they?
And then all.
Unless to that part, yeah. Because honest to God, people,